welcome back to our channel, right? Say hi.
Hi.
Hi, everybody. Yeah, guess what? We're gonna open up 2 toys,
No.
but not in this video. You have to come back for the second part because I think the first part is gonna be too long. Yeah, so please subscribe, give a thumbs up to this video so we can continue doing this video. Right, Caleb? Yeah. All right, so the first toy, Caleb is gonna show you. Can you show them the toy? Yes. Yeah, good job. So this is the first toy that we're gonna open up. It's from the Driven company. It has 140 pieces and it's like a little build your own city. So you can build a big city just like this one. We're gonna build it right here on our big table. I think it has, well, it has a police car and 2 other cars, a helicopter, a fire truck, and a dump truck, right? So we're gonna do this one, and I have another one, Caleb. I have another toy. You want to see it? Yeah. So we also have this one, and it's the same company, but it's an exclusive airplane. So it's only found in this set, right? Wow, this is a big airplane, but you have to come back for the second video, right? So first, we're gonna open up this one, and we're gonna I think we're gonna need some scissors. So hold on for a minute, and I'll be back. Okay, so we found the scissors, right? Can we cut it with this one? No, we cut it with this one, right? Yeah. So let's get to it. Are you excited, Caleb?
Yeah.
Can you tell them? Can you show them where is the fire truck? Fire truck. And can you show them where the police car is? Police car. Okay. What other car do you see? Dump truck. Okay, we're gonna open up. And remember, never let your toddlers use the scissors, please. Never use the scissors because it's pretty dangerous, okay? I will always remind you guys to not use the scissors because it's too dangerous, right, Caleb? Right? Yeah. Okay, let's get to the video. And then, hold on. I think we have to cut this ones.